Welcome to Vlogtober, day 7 and 8. We're combining these 2 days as the last video because we haven't really been doing a lot. It's been great. It's been relaxing.
It's been very boring.
I wouldn't say boring, I'd say relaxing.
Okay, well it rained most of today, so it's kind of just been a chill, hang out in the camper. Nothing to it.
It's been wonderful. So we're gonna call this our last Vlogtober day. Hope y'all enjoy it.
Working on dinner prep.
Woo! Gonna make some hibachi tonight.
How you gonna do that?
With sirloin steak and chicken and fried rice and the Blackstone.
Whoop whoop.
I guess the Blackstone is probably the answer you were looking for.
Yeah, pretty much.
But yeah, we're gonna be making some hibachi on the Blackstone. This super dull knife is driving me crazy.
Well, reach behind you and grab another one.
No, I just need to get sharpened. You recording me?
Yep.
Make rice.
I'm recording you making rice. Get ready for hibachi.
Woo!
Okay. Bubba, what you doing? Playing in the fire?
Oh yeah.
Daddy, get ready to grill.
Yep.
Ooh, look at our pretty view. You go. Grab a big onion and do the volcano.
I don't have an onion. Worst part about this is I'm having to cook way up high because we're on a little hill here.
Dun dun dun.
I'm cooking at like chest level.
Shasha, what you got? This is a pumpkin. What's that one?
No.
No. Oh my goodness. What is that? Is that ice cream? Woo, good job, Bubba.
Getting the fried rice all cooked up on the Blackstone. Gonna be doing the steak and chicken next.
All right, now give me a show.
Ain't no show to get.
Oh, come on, do a little dance.
I already did the volcano.
I missed it. Man.
The egg catching the hat and all that.
Guess I just missed everything.
Yep.
Well, it sure looks
Tell
good.
you what, cooking way up here at chest height is a killer for the shoulders, and the heat is right in your face.
That stinks.
Won't do that again.
How's the food?
Fantastic. Our cook was great. No, that was.
Is it good, Cheyenne?
Say good, Mommy.
Mmm, yum. I think she got it in her mouth. Good stuff. Going for a golf cart ride. Beep, beep, beep.
I don't know where we're going, but we're going.
Wow.
What's that?
Kit Kat.
You see a Kit Kat and
Kit-
pumpkin?
Hey, Kit Kat. Woo.
Woo!
Good.
Sounding like Ric Flair over here.
Silent and profiling.
Woo. Woo. Hey, Jason.
Look, they got Gilligan's Island out there.
Hey, Jason.
And Golden Girl. Alright, so we're headed to, where are we going? Elk
and Bison Prairie.
Elk and Bison Prairie. Hopefully we'll get to see some elk and bison. We got Charlie sitting in the front seat and Nina squeezed in the back with the babies, so hopefully it's a good day to see the elk. We've seen bison before, but it's been rainy and cloudy all day, so hope we'll see the elk too.
Yep.
We just got to the Elk and Bison Prairie. We've been here several times actually over the course of a couple of years, and for the first time we have actually gotten to see an elk.
Oh, there's an elk out there.
Look straight out there and you see several elk. Just grazing. What is it, Sha-Sha?
Be a buffalo feet.
You see buffalo?
Be a buffalo feet.
Buffalo feet?
Hey, buffalo. Hi, buffalo.
Look at that. There's one right there, y'all.
This is so many elk. I can't believe we've seen this many.
Look at that. Lots of bison out there. Look, kids.
Look at that.
Look at the little spider.
Ooh, look at the spider, Cha-Cha. See them, Cha-Cha? Yeah. Look at the lights. They're scary. See the scary lights?
Thank you for watching our 7 days of Vlogtober.
It was a lot of fun. It was particularly difficult for me because I like spending some time on editing, and I had to kind of throw these together really quick to do one every day. But it was a lot of fun, and we hope y'all enjoyed it as much as we did.